Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online as a work-from-home freelancer. So in my last tutorial, I talked to you about how you can use ChatGPT to start your own YouTube channel. I talked to you about how you can use it as your own personal research assistant, and this video is the next step of that process. I'm going to teach you how you can use ChatGPT to create incredible scripts that you can use for your YouTube videos. And then I'm going to introduce to you this incredible software that I just started using that has a text to video option where you can literally paste in your script from ChatGPT into the software, and you can create this beautiful professional video with a bit of light editing and have it all done in less than 15 minutes. So first I want to show you an example of a faceless YouTube channel that is making thousands every month. And in the channel I'm going to show you, they're not even showing their face in the videos. They're basically just compiling stock footage together with music and a text overlay and adding a voiceover. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in this video. So here's an example of a channel that is making thousands every month. You can see here that they have almost 2 million subscribers. Their thumbnails are not very good. And their videos are basically like this, just compilations of images, stock footage with text and a voiceover. And I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. And to get an idea of how much this channel is making, I've plugged their channel information into the YouTube channel calculator on Knox Influencer. And they estimate that they are making over $3,000 every month. And in my experience as a YouTuber, this number is much higher. I am sure it is much higher. So let's try to recreate one of these videos in the same niche of the health and fitness niche. We're going to go ahead and open up ChatGPT. So if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, I've linked you to my full tutorial in the description below this video, but it's really easy and best of all, it's free. It's completely free. So all you have to do is on the side here, go to New Chat, and down here is where we're going to be asking ChatGPT to create our script for us. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, give me 10 YouTube video ideas related to fitness, nutrition, superfoods, and weight loss. So ChatGPT is going to give me 10 ideas. So ChatGPT has just given me 10 awesome ideas, and I can even ask it to expand on some of them. So I like this first idea. I'm going to highlight to copy it and paste it here. And I'm going to say, give me 5 more video ideas related to this one. Okay, so they've just given me 5 more awesome title ideas, and now I want ChatGPT to create me a script. Write me a 10-minute script for YouTube based on idea number 2. You can even copy this so they know which one you want. And make sure to ask ChatGPT to write it in the style that you want. Please include interesting facts about each superfood and write the script in a fun, entertaining, and slightly funny tone. Make sure to end the script with a closing and ask people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, ChatGPT is creating our script. Now, depending on how many people are using ChatGPT in the moment, it might take a little bit longer, but just sit tight and wait and it will draft your script. Okay, so ChatGPT has just created this awesome script and they've done everything that I asked. You can see here Superfood 4. Coming in at number 4, we have spinach. Popeye was definitely onto something when he ate his spinach. So they're including humor. They've got our intro. They have our outro, asking people to subscribe to our channel. And say you want to make this script even longer to make sure you get to the 10 minutes or 8 minutes or whatever you want on YouTube, we can say, please expand on superfood number 1, for example, and add more paragraphs. So now ChatGPT is recreating section 1, and you can see here they're using this paragraph, but they're going to add in even more information, so that way we have a longer section. So before we create our video, you want to make sure to save this. So we're just going to copy the entire script, right-click copy, and go ahead and put this into Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and just paste your script in here. And that way we'll have access to it for when we are creating our video. So now I want to show you the amazing software we're going to use to create our video. We're going to be using InVideo to do this. And InVideo is a video maker that's so easy to use and it requires no design skills. So InVideo has over 6,000 completely customizable templates that you can use for YouTube, for Instagram, for whatever you want. And you can also use media from InVideo's stock video library of more than 8 million assets from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock. So you're not going to need to worry about finding video clips or images. You'll have instant access to millions of amazing clips for your videos. So it is free to create an account with InVideo, so you can try out the editor completely for free and play around with the features that I'm going to show you in this video. But in order to export your video and access premium assets, you'll want to upgrade to the business or unlimited plan. And if you decide to go with the monthly plan, you'll get it for as low as $30 a month, which is really affordable when you see the awesome quality of the videos that we can create with this software. Or you can choose to go with the yearly plan and you can get it for $15 a month if you pay for the year in advance. In any case, you can sign up for the free account without a credit card and you can just try out the features to see if you like it first. So let's sign up and create an account. You can use my referral link in the description below and you can use my code to get a 25% discount as well. So that just makes it all the more affordable. So just go ahead, fill in your name, your email, and your password and click Create an Account. So I'm going to log into my account. And this is what it looks like once we've logged into InVideo. And what we're going to do is click here on Text to Video. So we're going to create a video with the script that we just made with ChatGPT. So go ahead, click that. You can see here it allows you to convert your scripts into engaging videos. And you can see all of these awesome templates that we can use. So you can just scroll down and hover your mouse over any of these templates to see what it will look like. I'm going to scroll down and use the self-care products promo one. I think this goes really well with my niche. So what you want to do over on the side is select if you want landscape, square, or portrait. And if you are creating a video for YouTube, you probably want to do landscape unless you are doing a YouTube Shorts, in which case you would choose portrait. So we're going to choose landscape, then click Use Template. So over here on the left is where we're going to place our script. It says the easiest way to convert your script to an engaging video in minutes. Start by entering your script with each new sentence on a new line. The first sentence will automatically become a headline scene and the remaining sentences will be split into individual scenes. So I already copied our title and we're going to paste that here, which is the top 5 superfoods for boosting your immune system. Then press enter and enter again and we have a new line. So this would be the next part of our video. So let's get our script that we created with ChatGPT. And you could go ahead and do sentence by sentence if you want. In my case, I just want to do a quick demo. So I'm going to choose 1 or 2 sentences per category. So we're going to start with superfood 1, which is blueberries. So Control C to copy. Go over here on a new line, Control V to paste. And all of this will appear on our video. So I'm going to change up the words a little bit and say, our first top superfood is blueberries. Okay, enter, enter, a new line. Let's put our second top superfood. Now all of this text is going to appear in our video, so you don't want to have too much text per scene. Stick to 1 to 2 sentences. So now I have 6 different scenes, and again, you can continue to create as many scenes as you want for your video. And down at the bottom, it says auto-suggest images and videos. So if you have the free plan, you'll have access to basic assets from websites like Pixabay or Pexels. But with the paid plan, you'll have access to premium media from websites like Shutterstock or iStock, which can save you a lot of money on having to get premium memberships to these websites. So then we're going to click Create Scenes. And what this is going to do is tell InVideo we want to create scenes for each of these paragraphs, and it's going to plug all this information in the template that we chose. You can see here, generating thumbnails. And another thing I want to show you is down here on the bottom right, there's a chat icon and you can click that and you have 24/7 support with helping you if you have any issues when creating your video. Okay, so here is our video so far, and we're going to have to make some edits. So first let's do a little preview. So the first thing I want to do is adjust this scene to make it a little longer so it's not so fast. And you can do this by clicking the plus or minus icon to adjust the seconds in duration. Okay, and you can see here that they have chosen media for each of our scenes, but sometimes it's relevant and other times it's not relevant. You can see here in this case, none of these images are relevant. It depends on the video, so we're going to have to change that, but it's really easy to do. What we're going to do is go to the side and click on videos or images. I'm going to click videos, and the first image I want to change and type in superfoods. So you can see here, there's all these really nice images with eye stalk. I love this one. So I'm going to click and drag it right here where it says Media Layer 1. And then you can choose Trim Video to Scene so it'll fit within your scene and choose where you want it. So I'm going to click Add. And that has replaced their image with our own image, and that looks much better. Okay, so now let's go down to scene 2. And our second scene is all about blueberries. Actually, right here we have a video of blueberries. So I'm going to click, drag that to replace it with the previous media. Again, you can click Trim Video to Scene and click Add. Our next superfood is garlic. Now let's type in garlic. Okay, and the next one is ginger. So just keep repeating that same process until you have replaced all of the old media with your new media. And now we can switch from storyboard mode to editor mode. And editor mode is going to allow us to see all of the scenes plus the audio that they have added. This is our playhead here. Let's drag that to the beginning and press play to preview, and you can listen to the audio that they have added to your video. And if you want to change that, we can go over to music and you can search by moods, by genres, and then you can just click to add it as a layer, and then you can go to your audio and just click delete to delete it. I'm going to click on the undo button because I liked the audio that they already added. You can also see there is a space for us to add a logo. So let's click on logo and just upload your own logo. So let's say I have a health and fitness channel and this is my logo here. And now you can see it has added our logo to the top corner here. And now I want to show you how we can add a voiceover, an AI voiceover, if you don't want to create your own voiceover for this video. What we can do is click here on voiceover, and you can either upload your own voiceover, record a voiceover, or we can click automated text to speech. So let's click that. So here you can choose the language, and you can also try different voices. So we can try Sally by clicking the play icon.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Hello.
Try Matthew, Kimberly, Kendra. And what we put here is what Sally is going to read for us in the voiceover. So this is where we can use our script. So let's open up our script again. And let's say I want to say, hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 superfoods for boosting your immune system. So you can choose for the voiceover to say the exact text that's on the screen or to say whatever you want here. Then you're going to click Generate Voiceover. So we can preview the voiceover. You can see this is 8 seconds long. Then we're going to click Add. So it has added our voiceover down here at the bottom. And what we want to do is make it go with the first scene. So we're going to click and drag it to the beginning. Now, the problem is that I want this voiceover to last the duration of our first scene. So over here, if you click zoom in, we can zoom in a bit. We'll see that the scene ends here. All you have to do is see this double arrow, click and drag, and that will extend the length of the first scene so that it will last the duration of our voiceover. And you can just do that and continue to do that with all of the different scenes. So again, voiceover, automated text to speech. Okay, so now we have our second scene. And again, we can click generate voiceover. Then let's click add. And again, just click and drag it where you want it. And on scene number 2, we're going to click and drag the arrow so it extends the duration of our voiceover. And once you're finished doing that, you're going to want to extend the audio to the end of the clip. And you're also going to want to adjust the volume. So if we click here on volume, we can adjust the volume of both tracks. So right now we've selected the background music, and we can adjust the volume down as much as we want. And we can also increase the volume of the voiceover track as well. So once you're done all of these steps, you are ready to export your video. So we're going to click on export. And again, you have to have a paid plan in order to export your video. You can try out as many templates as you want with the free plan and make as many videos as you want. And you can even share your projects with friends that you add to your team in the free plan. But in order to download your videos or export them outside of InVideo, you have to get the paid plan. So I'm going to export as 1080. You can see that I will be using 3 of my iStock media, and then I'm going to click export. So with the paid plan, you can export your video in full HD quality and with no watermarks whatsoever. Okay, so now that the video has finished exporting, we can watch it and see the quality of the video that we've just produced.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 superfoods for boosting your immune system. Our first top superfood is blueberries. Not only are they delicious, but they're packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. The second top superfood is garlic, which helps to fight off infection. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Superfood number 3 is ginger. This root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including nausea and inflammation. Our fourth superfood is spinach. Spinach is high in vitamin C and vitamin A, which is important for maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes. Our fifth superfood is turmeric, which has been shown to help with a variety of conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and even depression.
So you can see how easy it is to create a really beautiful, polished video with InVideo's templates. I really encourage you to sign up and see what it's all about and try out some of these templates for yourself. You can sign up using my referral link in the description below and get a 25% discount. And if you want more tips on how to use InVideo software, you can follow InVideo's official YouTube channel where they teach you all sorts of different tricks on how to use this software. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Jennifer Marie for more tutorials like this one, and I will see you in my next video.